Hello everyone. Recently I read this book called Sanvad Manjari, Prarambhik Sanskrit va Sanskrit Sambhashanam Grantha by Mr. Soumya Kulshrestha. This book is all about the basics and fundamentals of Sanskrit, and its main purpose is to educate the readers about what Sanskrit is all about and how we can be fluent in it and in conversing or while writing. This book is very interesting as I learned that Sanskrit as a language was derived from Lord Shiva's Tandavam, and it also says that Sanskrit is a language of Devtas. We all have a misconception that or perception that English is a modern language, whereas Sanskrit, as it is ancient, it is a backward language. But the first part of this book contains aphorisms and quotes which will change our mind, because some of my favorites include Patni, Bhojan or Dhan. We should always be satisfied with it, and there's nothing more pure than knowledge, and forgiveness is the tenet of Vaishnavism as an ideology. The rest part of this book contains the grammar, the verbs, the nouns, and the daily conversational sentences and phrases which can be used in our day-to-day life. It is very easy. As long as the readers know some basic amount of Hindi, they will be able to understand and have good takeaway from this book. This book should be read by all, because Sanskrit as a language, it is kind of not being that mainstream. Sanskrit, the one main important advantage of learning Sanskrit is that it helps us to articulate our thoughts better. So do read this book, guys. It's very interesting. It's at the end of this book you will have some basic idea about what Sanskrit contains in terms of its syntax, in terms of its technicalities, in knowing the basics of Sanskrit language like grammar, nouns and tenses, all the language part of it, you will be able to understand it quite better. I will give this book 5 out of 5, but I want to reduce 1 mark because it is purely in Hindi. So I would request the author, Mr. Soumya Kulshrestha, please release this book with a new edition along with English translation. This is a brilliant book. Everyone should read it. I request every Indian to read this book, but just that please add some English translations too for wider reach and more engagement. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.